Bureau Meteorology's New South Wales issued a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the riverine lower western parts of the metropolitan. Illawarra, central west slopes, plains, southwest slopes, upper western and snowy mountains forecast districts. Vigorous southerly change late Friday. A vigorous cold front will affect southern parts of New South Wales during Friday afternoon and evening, extending into central areas overnight before weakening. Damaging winds averaging 55 to 65 kilometres an hour, with gusts around 90 kilometres an hour possible over parts of inland New South Wales late Friday afternoon, evening, and the Illawarra Sydney coastal fringe during Friday night. Locations under the warning: Sydney, Wollongong, Wagga Wagga, Albury, Cobar and Broken Hill. Severe thunderstorm warnings also in place for heavy rainfall, damaging winds for the northern tablelands parts of the mid-north coast, the northwest slopes and plains forecast districts. Gusty storms with bursts of rain in northeast New South Wales. Severe thunderstorms likely produce heavy rainfall, may lead to flash flooding, damaging winds in the warning area over the next several hours, and areas that could be affected: Armidale, Tenterfield, Glen Innes, Inverell, Tamworth and Gunnedah. Heavy rain is more likely about the ranges, with damaging wind gusts likely for parts of the slopes and plains. Victoria has a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the northeast parts of the East Gippsland and west and south Gippsland forecast districts. Strong and squally southwesterly winds following a cold front. Cold front will cross Victoria during Friday, moving across western parts during the morning, central district in the middle of the afternoon, eastern districts during the afternoon, early evening. A southwesterly wind change following the front will become strong and squally as it crosses eastern Victoria. Damaging southwesterly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour, peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour expected to develop across the warning area following the passage of a cold front during Friday afternoon and early evening. Winds are then expected to ease below warning threshold around 3 hours following the passage of the front. Locations which may be affected: Wodonga, Wangaratta, Sale, Barnsdale, Orbost, Mount Hotham, Falls Creek. Bureau Meteorology South Australia has a similar warning in place for damaging winds for the northeast pastoral and parts of the Flinders northwest pastoral districts. Vigorous southerly wind change late Friday. Damaging southerly winds averaging 55 to 70 kilometres an hour, with gusts around 90 kilometres an hour forecast to develop in the warning area from late Friday afternoon as the vigorous southerly wind change moves across areas of areas of rain and dust likely. Locations which may be affected: Maria, Cooper Pedy, Roxby Downs, Lee Creek, Marie, Unadilla and Mooma. And on the screen is another look at storm probabilities from 1300 hours through to around the same period tomorrow. There are a few fire weather warnings in place, and we're also keeping an eye on the tropical scene. That's all for now, and here's another message from Force 13.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.